Hello, emilag since la time long. Make him appeal blomigo long or young boys. Usa di smoking marijuana na stable long Simbo province. Milugi molsem plan your young blomi now. Or the stable grade 6, grade 7. I got some grade 12. Now some they start long tech, some they start long universities, colleges, all this stuff. Almost 70% all smoking marijuana. Na plan your boys is long place too. All is smoking marijuana too, so almost 70 to 75% of youths in Black Adler province all smoking marijuana na all stop so long. A community belong all na place belong all. You know katon pla organization try long engage much boys na work one time all. So long this plan we look much big bla heavy inside the community na long district or long province bla you mean na long country bla you mean too. Also na iblol Simbu you one bla man who said this house smoking marijuana or beginning belong you and me smoking marijuana na got consent on him. Yeah, ask him by you black and one of you staff you can make him group yet, organize him yet. Na you come inside long association but me blame Saint Christopher Life Association. Me play come up in belong work one time all this plan marijuana boys. You start long Trawe or you start long Sinisiniangumuk or long Sultanamane Karamui or Gumuni or Kerewagi or Kundiawangembok. You start you organize you know what the man but looks out you mean one time you meet us all this organization you me and we play try best long at least mobilizing you plan talk you plan you can kiss him all some long talk long strong you me long stop good na stop strong on some man long bless awareness blow me long you blow boys one of you stop you talk so when now you want the leader you want the papa consent opinion the man blow you say this movie marijuana too you can talk so long or too na or can start a group na stop na you black and talk so ring come and by me black and come contact and work one time you plan now yet me plan establish some capacity belong long office it mean that's all more good la mobilization we can make him now stop strong also team Simbuna you can help him sit down help him community blow you me thank you now God bless.